Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe. I am Anita Saraswat and today we will discuss about the maths topic round of the numbers for 4th standard. Round of the numbers means, what it means find the nearest value of the number. Suppose I am giving one example. If you go to the market and suppose you buy something for rupees 78 and you are not having change, you are having only 150 rupees note and 100 rupees note, then which note you will give to the shopkeeper? Yes, I hope your answer will be 100 rupees. So that is called the rounding of the numbers. The same thing we will discuss here. Just see, what is the rule to finding out the to round off the number? The first rule, just see here. First you have to identify the place value you are rounding to, means up to which place you have to round off the numbers. In 4th standard we will read up to 3 places. Just see, up to 10th place, up to 100 place and up to 1000 place. Okay. So first rule is identify the place value you are rounding to and you have to underline it. Second thing, the number to the right, the up to which number you have to round off, the just number to the right side tells the underlined number what to do. What to do means what you have to do. Here is the rule. First you have to see if the right side of the number, that is 0 to 4. 0 to 4 means 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then you have to stay the same number to the underlined number. But if the numbers are greater than 5, or 5 means 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Then you have to go up once, means you have to plus 1 on the underlined number. I hope you have understood. Just see again. First what you have to do, identify the place value you are rounding the number. You underline it. Now the second thing, the number to the right, you have to search the number just the right side of the number, which place value you have to, which rounding number you have to do, tells the underlined number what to do and you have to see this rule. Now just see one example. Here we have to round off the number up to tens, means up to tens place we have to round off. So first rule, we have to underline the place up to which we have to round off. Now just see, just write to the underlined number, that is 2. 2 is into 0 to 4. So you have to stay same, means same. 7 you will write as it is and there will be 0. Whenever we are rounding off the numbers, in the right side of the number we have to write 0. Now in 86, just see, we have to round off up to 80, means tens place, that is 8. Now we have to see, just write to the 8, that is 6. It is 6 means it comes into 5 to 9 group. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what we will do? We will plus 1 here. We have to goes up 1. That will be 9 and in the place of 6 we will write 0. Now see other example up to 100. Just see, that is 149. We have to round off up to 100th place, means that is the 100th place. So we will underline the 100th place. Just we have to see right to the 100th place, that is 4. Now see this 4, this come into the first group, means you have to stay the number same, underline number you have to write same, that will be 1. In the place of 4 you will write 0 and in the place of 9 also you will write 0. Up to which place you are rounding off the number, to the right of the right side the digit will be converted into 0. Now just see the second number, that is 778. you have to round off up to 100th place. 7 is on the 100th place. Just check to the next right to the number, that is 7. Now just check 7 comes in the second row, 5 to 9. What we will do? We will plus 1 to the underlined number. So here you will plus, that will be 8, and in the place of 7 you will write 0. In the place of 8 also you will write 0. Then rounding number will be 800. Now just come on up to 1000 place. You have to round off these number up to 1000 place. So just see where is the 1000 place. Just 4. 4 is on the 1000 place. So first underline it. Now just check the just right to the 4. That is 8. 8 again comes in the second group. So what will you do? You will add plus 1 here. You will add 1 here. There will be 4 plus 1, 5. And in the place of 100, tens and ones, we will write 0. Now just see another example, that is 5227. Again you have to round off up to the 1000 place. So just check the right to the 1000 place, that is 100 place. 2 is there. 2 is on first group. So in first group you don't have to add any number to the underlined digit. You have to write these numbers same, and in the place of 1000, 100 tens and ones you will write 0, 0. That will be the 5000. I hope you have understood the same rule. This rule you have to follow in all the round of the number. That first group you have to identify, learn, and the second group you have to learn. You have to be careful only here and keep these two rules up in your mind and follow this rule carefully. You will definitely get the correct answer. Now these are some questions, two questions I have written extra. So you can pause the video and you can write this number up to tens. You have to round off 745 and 371. Up to 100 you have to round off 9703 and 1096. Up to 1000 you have to round off 4852, 7667. So please children, do the practice of the rounding of the number. Thank you.